Good, tell me, let me go deeper now. Let me be flatty kidogo. What's your favorite position?
Position as in sex position.
Yes, sex position.
Sini missionary tu mkiangalia na una kiss. Na kiss because I love a heist, right?
Yeah,
So napenda missionary at least. So you know.
Okay. Now, what's your favorite position?
Niseme aje but we stingo zinakwanga mingi sasa sijui nitasema gani.
Sema ile yenye inakumalizaga
Maybe
ile
doggy. Not the best.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, not the best.
So like Ebu, tell me, how do you do it?
In terms of
Oh, like how do you do it, like doggy? Mnatumianga sex toys and all that, fingering, like how do you guys do it?
for us we don't have maybe toys.
I'm
Have our own tools.
Hey.
Have our own tools. So no need maybe ya kuchukua toys. Hizo sina. Sema strap.
Yeah.
Je tumie hizo.
All right. Hey, ni watu mnanibamba. So like, are you planning to have maybe kids in future ama mkoaje story ya watoi? Mnataka kwanza watoi? Unataka watoi?
Yes, tulikuwa hata tumeongea about that recently.